Good morning to homeroom math class. I don't know how many schools I've worked at doing this in person, but to everybody that remembers and follow me, whatever, and if you want to like and subscribe, do so. Okay, this is math and music. So, we're in a regular tuning. Oh, how boring. Let's take it down. It's always nice to warm up in a major open. Not a dobro, it's a drop major open, different. Because only the top E is down to a D and the bottom E. And get your guitars if you're in music at Fort Hamilton High School. In Brooklyn or wherever, I know they have guitars. Also, Brooklyn Collegiate has guitars in District 23. And start working on the picking pattern while you get your math minds hooked up to your hand-eye coordination and your love of music. So we're doing creative thinking and critical thinking, hooking us up left and right side of the brain. And that's just our warm-up today. You get your own warm-up. It should be about 60 seconds or less, no shorter than 30 seconds. So between 30 and 60 seconds, warm up, something that catches the eyes, ears, nose, souls. Nobody knows like the teacher knows. Souls hooked up to creativity and critical thinking. We'll do math in the next segment. We're going to start with memorizing your cubes all the way up to 36 cubes for pre-calculus, and for the younger, like 4th to 6th grade, we're going to do squares all the way up to 36, all in your mind to practice so that when you're on an exam, taking an exam, the stuff that's like quick stuff, you can't be doing a calculator for 10 operations. You think a calculator makes it easy. If you don't know how to use a calculator in conjunction with mental math, you're not going to really do that well, possibly. I mean, just get it to the point where you use your calculator as little as possible. And that's according to a math professor from Wake Forest University that I know. I didn't ask him if I could mention his name, but I will say that he told me that in China, and he's from China, that one of the things, I hope I'm not misquoting, I'll hear from him if I am, but I believe he said something to the effect that in China, the whole point of math education, the whole way through, is use your calculators as little as possible. You're going to need them, but as little as possible. It's kind of like the lowest dose possible of some kind of medicine that you might take, whatever. The point is, you need calculators, but you need the lowest dose of calculator possible. That includes paper. We're working on mental math. The last thing we're going to do is 36 square in our mind. So 36 square is the same thing as 40 square minus 4 times 36. 36 square is the same as 40 times 36 minus 4 times 36. 40 times 36 is the same as 4 times 36 plus a 0. 4 times 36 plus a 0 is 72 plus, times 2. 72 times 2 is 144 plus a 0, 1,440 minus 4 times 36, which is 140. So 1,440 minus 144 rather. 1,440, you know what? You get the idea. I need to do a simpler one, but the video's getting too long, and we're not going to have any viewers if it goes longer than this. I already have to cut this up. Okay, everybody, have a great Wednesday, August 20th, 2025.